Hi, welcome to Behind the Scenes of The Thief and the Lady. I just wanted to show you what I'm working on tonight. One of the problems I just ran into is that I don't have all the sound effects I need. I figured I would set up my own little Foley booth and just see if we can record it straight into the episode and add our own little sound effects that we make right here at home. Book closing Foley sound effect for episode 6 of The Thief and the Lady, take 1. That was crap. I have everything set up a little better, and we're gonna record the scene and add in some sound effects live. This is so cool. It's like I'm acting with the scene, but I'm putting in the sound effects with the characters. So, success, we can make our own Foley sound effects. But now is the fun part where I gotta make it 3D. They're actually gonna throw it and it's gonna go from one side to the other of your headphones. And it's just the simplest thing, but if you close your eyes, you can actually hear the book being thrown to the right and then back to the left. So cool. I love my job. I was thinking of footsteps, and when we walk, or we can run, we can scuffle, we can boot scoot, do a little dance, boot scoot and boogie. Now I'm gonna record some punching sounds. There's either something very wrong with me, or I'm a genius, because that worked great. I threw in some clothes noises too, because they'd be wrestling, so I was doing this. That's a lot of blanket. Okay, I think we got it. I also realized I've been doing all these Foley effects right out my window, right there. And it's nighttime, so I'm sure they can see straight in. If anybody's been walking past, they've probably seen me, after midnight, hugging blankets, punching my own hand, doing little steps. They're probably so confused. But I don't care. This is the kind of last minute stress you get with a musical, but it's also, it's one of the best parts, because this is it. You're starting to see it all come together, all of this hard work that all of these different people have put in. It's been fun to listen through the tracks. I'm doing the narration right now that Jade recorded. It feels like an old-fashioned, like kind of a Dickens era novel, which is exactly what we were going for. And then, of course, the script written by Elizabeth Adams has so many fun moments with the little kids. It's been fun to work on, and I'm excited to see the finished product.
Guess we wait.
What do we have here, Nigel?
Looks like some kittens lost their way.
Hey, what you reading?
Give that back!
Pass it here, George. Yeah. Hey, right back at you.
She said, give it
Hey, pass it back.
Oh, take that!
Oh, ow! Why, you little...
Again.
Hey, leave them alone,
Or what?
or I'll...
Don't! Billy told us not to get into trouble. Besides, they're not worth it.
Fine.
Waiting for your old man to come out? Or is it your mum that's in there?
That does it.
Get him, George.
Don't touch my brother! Enough of him!
Get him, Jeffrey! Get him! I'm gonna get you!
Little brat.
Hey, why you, Jeffrey?
Oh, come on.
Come on!
Stop! Stop it!
Shin! Right in the spleen! Oh my... Not my kidney!